Welcome to WebStarPress. If your game, video editing programs, or graphics programs are freezing, lagging, or stuttering, even though you have got a good PC, that is because your RAM is not optimized properly. Here is how you can optimize RAM for best performance. Before you do this, it is a good idea to create a restore point. To create a restore point, press Windows plus S and search restore point. Press Create a restore point. Go to System Protection tab. Make sure your Windows drive protection is set to on. It is usually C drive. After that, hit Create button. Name your restore point and press Create button. Now, if anything goes wrong, you can roll back easily. Now that you are safe, let's optimize RAM. First thing that I want to check is memory compression, and I want to turn that on. So to do that, press Windows S, type PowerShell, right-click Window PowerShell, select Run as Administrator. Here type get-mm agent. If it says memory compression true, you are good. Otherwise type enable-mm agent space -mc to turn on memory compression. After that, restart your PC. Next, disable startup apps. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape keys from keyboard. Here see memory column. Close programs that are using a lot of memory. Right-click, add the program, and select End Task to close that program. Next, disable unwanted services. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig, press OK. Press Services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. These are all the services that are enabled for me. Say if there is any unwanted service that can be closed. Make sure you know what you are doing here and only close those services that you know are useless. To close a service, uncheck that service from here. After that, press Apply and OK. Next, De-animate Windows. To do that, press Windows plus S, search Performance, and select Adjust Appearance and Performance for Windows. Here from Visual Effects, select Adjust for Best Performance. Select this option. All of these will be unchecked. Now check selectively from these options that you need. For example, I have enabled few visual effects that are suitable for me. After that, press Apply and OK. Next, shut down useless background apps. Press Windows plus S and type background apps. And from the list, select background apps, system settings. Turn off all the apps that are running uselessly in the background. Like, camera, calculator. Make sure you don't turn off useful background apps. Like for me, NVIDIA Control Panel, Windows Feature Experience Pack, and Windows Security. So selectively turn off useless background apps to optimize your memory. Next, you can use reliable free memory optimizers, such as MemReduct. Go to the download page, download it, and install it. After that, run this program. To optimize RAM, click Clean Memory button. Also, if you want to see memory usage, you can go to Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape, go to Performance tab, and here select Memory. Here you will be able to see how much memory your system is using and how much is available. So these are my best tips to clean and optimize RAM to get best performance out of games and PC in general. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.